is, ladies and gentlemen. The No Way Home you've been waiting for. Wave 1. Wave 2. And Wave 3. And now Wave 4. We've done it. We've got on all the waves. I know I've probably cursed it and now there's going to be a Wave 5 or something. But usually most stuff always ends at Wave 4. So that's what we're going to be reviewing today. We've done it. But before I unbox these, I'll show you a video from Smith's. So, yeah. Here's a Smith's stock for today. These. Very nice. I really want this guy. And they also have the Wave 4 colour changes. There's Bruno. And then they have Snap. So, we're going to first review them in their colour form. So we're going to obviously do the number 1 character first, which is Diesel. So, sorry. He has this weird face, which is like the, I don't know, but he's got a Riz. I'm never saying that again, but it's true. Come on guys, this is 2, this is 1, which one has more Riz? Anywho, so he has this like, I don't know what it is. Kind of looks like a spider web, but also like, I don't know, like what was it? Like fingerprints. That's the back, the boring back, and then they're just the same again. It's a Diesel. So yeah, nothing really much to say about this. So. Moving on to the number 2 character. Go over there. Bruno! So, Bruno has a face, like all the other characters. It's green. Join the green team. And yeah, one thing I noticed, I don't know if it's, yeah, it's clear. I think. He has a see-through roof for some reason. Okay, I'll take it. Also, that's see-through, and I think the windows could be see-through. So, yeah. So, it's got his lamp, obviously. His thing's black instead of, you know, 43 on, yeah. On the other side. Also, Aiden, Thomas Mini's wife, I know you're watching. See this? This actually has printing on it. I'm so funny. Oh, there we go. Oh, there's open again. So let's look at the 3rd character, which is I'm joking. Thomas. One thing I've noticed, this reminds so Thomas is, this is white, the whistle's white, and he's got an evil face, which is I think reused from the farm pack, the Motorized Thomas one. So as you notice here, he has an 80s type, like, background thing. 80s is definitely my favourite. Like, it has the best music. Fight me. Actually, please don't fight me, I'll get demolished, bro. Also see-through roof. The other 80s background. And yeah. So now, let's put them in the warm. Dun dun dun. First is the number 1 diesel engine. Diesel. Gotta get this camera action, you know. Oh, yeah, I see it. He's Spooderman! What? He's Spooderman now? So he's got the Riz face, but it's now normal, I guess. I don't know. So now he just looks like Spooderman. Whoa! He's the amazing Spider Diesel. Wow. So yeah, I've already shown him off. Yeah. Next off is Bruno. God, I notice how the face immediately changes. Does the roof not change? Seriously? Actually, hold on, let's look. No, the roof does not change. Okay, that is actually kind of... Okay, let's get him out. Poor guy. So now he has his normal face. That sounds so mean. I want to stop saying that, but like, I don't know what else to wear that. So, got the waves. The waves. Whoa. What? Oh no, it's a shame. And yeah, I don't really know what else to say. Now let's get the 80s Thomas. Thomas started off in the 80s. This is very fitting. Slam dunk. Does the face not like immediately change? Oh, wait, did that? Hold it. Yeah, it's the right one. Oh. Is it changed? Yeah, it's changed. It was purple, I think. Yeah, it's changed. Yay! I didn't even have to sing the Tears for Fears song. So, yes. He still has that. You can still see it. I don't know what it's called. I don't really want to know. I guess it's the sun. We're calling it the sun, so we're calling it the sun now. So, yeah, now he's sporting his blue again. That is very nice. So there, got the full gang in there. Oh no. We've got the full gang in there. I guess, wait, it was hot form. I would put them in there, but like, I don't really want that. Let's do it. Okay, so we'll start off with Diesel. Somebody has to be the favourite. Is it working? Hello? I think part of it's actually done it. Was that? It's not working. I'll have to sing the Tears for Fears song. Change. You can change. Is it just... any of them changing? I have a theory that they're not changing, so I guess we have no choice but to just... So now what we do... we just do this. Is it working? My colour changes are not colour changing. Last word. Okay, so Diesel was the only one who half changed, I guess. But that's because everybody likes Diesel. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the review. Yeah, I'll see you again soon, I guess. Farewell. Have a nice day.